True power never dies. It just gets buried.
Buried under tons of lime dust. The perfect recipe for total decay.
At Restore Motion, we don't fear the scale. We see the blueprint of a legend.
The ocean of dust couldn't hold it. Today, we reclaim this titan.
Welcome to your new starting line. Prepare to roar again.
"16 massive wheels. 16 challenges to start the motion.
Hydraulics this old aren't just stuck, they are solidified. We must be surgical.
The fire has been out for 40 years. We need to find the spark that created this motion. Science meets heavy engineering, reclaiming the very foundation of power. Obsolete components mean a craftsman's patience. Microns define the motion.
The original color, construction orange. The badge of a true working machine.
From the gray of dust to the brilliance of industry, the legend rises.
Rugged, durable, and functional. A warrior's cockpit reborn.
The heart is back. The connection is made. Let the motion begin.
The face of a legend, restored to its rightful glory. Ready to lead.
"10 tons of machine need an impossible foundation. These will do."
The voice of this titan will soon be heard again. Prepare yourself. Listen to that. That is the sound of 300 horsepower waking up from a 40-year nap.
Another legend reclaimed from the ruins. Another motion restored.
Restore motion. Reclaiming history.